Hello children, how are you all doing? Doing well? So in the first part of this lesson 10, Mapping India, I had explained to you many things, and that time I had not explained through the globe. So the parts which have to be explained through the globe, I'm going to do it now, and you are going to see all the things which have been explained to you about the globe, all the lines, all the day and night, revolution, rotation. So I'm going to show you the globe just now, and this is the globe. All of y'all have seen this is the globe, and what am I doing? What's happening? You see? You can see the globe is rotating, and you will see different things on the globe. All the blue parts, they are the water bodies, and all the other colored parts are different continents. So we are going to see this, and then after that I will take you to the screen and you will see many more things on the screen. So children, you see, this is the globe, and you can see it is rotating on its axis. On its axis it is rotating this way. So this rotation causes day and night. Supposing it starts from here, this part, rotation starts, it will rotate and come back again, and this one circle, it takes 24 hours. That means one full day it takes to complete one rotation. So this is what we are seeing on the globe, and you will understand it when you have a globe at home, or you see any video which is showing the rotation. This also I am showing, this is the rotation. Followed? This causes day and night. I will just show you how day and night is caused. So children, you see, supposing this is the earth and this is the sun. This light which is falling on this part of the earth, you can see how bright it is this side. It is getting the light of the sun. This I am showing with the help of a torch and globe. So you can understand this part, we are observing day. Wherever the sun's light falls, that part observes day. And you see, this part is dark. This part is dark. The next part, the other part. So that other part is having night, observing night. So this is how day and night is caused. If I take the torch this side, then that means this part is day and the other part is night. Same way, this side, if I take it, the torch, then this is day and this is night. So this is how it keeps on rotating, and day and night is caused. So children, you have seen how day and night is caused, and This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. This is the axis on which the earth is rotating. Same way the globe also is rotating on the axis. This is the axis. Imaginary line. Now the earth is rotating, all of you all know, it causes day and night, and this is the sun. This is the sun, and the earth is rotating as well as revolving around the sun. Both things are taking place. Rotation and revolution. This is revolution. This thing going round. Plus rotation is also going on side by side. There is an orbit right around the sun. There are many orbits. Every planet goes on its own orbit. So Earth also is having an orbit and it is going on its orbit. And this revolution going around the sun, it causes what? Seasons. It causes seasons. And it takes 365 and 1/4 day to complete one revolution around the sun. This way, 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 this way. So, you see how day and night is caused and how seasons are caused because of the movement of the earth around the sun. So children, you have understood about the rotation and revolution with the help of globe. I'm sure you have understood everything, and I will take you to the screen now and you will see many more things about the Mapping India lesson and about the globe and maps also. You know that the globe and map both give us information about many things on the earth. The globe explains to us all the latitudes and longitudes and the reference point, North Pole, South Pole we can see. We can see the equator, the prime meridian and so many things on the globe. But maps give us detailed information about the earth, little information that we see, small town, colony, village, everything we get on the map. But on the globe we get only limited information, and that's why globe is difficult to carry, and that's why people do what? They prefer to study everything on the map. Limited information is given on the globe and maps have more information. So let's go to the screen and see more things about it. Good morning children. Have an awesome day. Welcome to Lesson 10 Mapping India Part 2. Key points in the lesson. Number 1, globe and map. Number 2, different types of maps. Number 1, physical maps. Number 2, political maps. Number 3, thematic maps. Number 3, components of a map. A. Direction. B. Scale. C. Symbols. D. Coloring. And we will also see sketch in this lesson, in this part. A globe is a true representation of Earth, but it is not easy to carry it around. It can only give limited information, whereas maps can give detailed information of any part of the Earth. Moreover, it is easy to carry a map. So, globes are very big, so that we cannot carry the globe. That's why maps are more easier for us, because they can be folded, wrapped around and kept anywhere. A map is a drawing of the Earth on a flat surface. It can be drawn to show the whole world, a country, a city, or even your neighborhood. There are different sizes of maps. They can be small or large. A wall map gives many details. A book of maps is called an atlas. All of y'all must have atlas with you, and atlas is very helpful for reading the map, to understand the map, to understand places. So that's why all must keep atlas with you. A map outside a locality is drawn on a reduced scale, on a smaller scale. One small board shows all the buildings, houses, parks and shopping areas of the locality. So this is the town map, and you can see the different places. Here this is the key showing you which thing is a house, which type of thing is a house, then police station and supermarket. So by seeing this key you will be able to see and understand where which place is located in the town, where is the school and all other places, where the trees are, then where is someone's house, where people are living. All these things you will see in the map outside a locality. Do you know? A sketch is a rough drawing of a place. It is based on memory or observation and gives some important landmarks. So this is a sketch of a place, and these are the different landmarks shown on the sketch. Different types of information can be provided on a single map, or a map may give only one type of information. For example, a map of a state may show rivers, lakes, mountains, temperature and rainfall, or only the different districts of the state. The title of a map tells you what a map is all about. So this is the title of a map. This will tell you what this map is about. There are different types of maps. Number 1, physical maps show natural features of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. You can see the different maps showing the different features of our earth. This is the features of our country, showing where the plateaus are, where the mountains are, where the land area is. All such things you will see on this type of map. Political maps show the boundaries of cities, towns and villages, countries and states of the world. Then number 3, thematic maps focus on particular information like roads, population, parks, etc. You will see here this is a thematic map showing the temperature of different places, what type of temperature. This is the colors showing in which part of the country is having how much degree temperature, and this is a road map showing the different types of roads in our country. It is very important to know the language of a map to understand, read or interpret any map. If you want to understand the map, read the map, you have to understand all the parts of a map. Like this is the title, date, this is called the legend, and this is the orientation, north, south, east, west, and this is the scale on which the map is drawn, on which scale it is drawn, that is always given in the map. Do you know the Survey of India prepares all maps for India? The Survey of India is India's central engineering agency in charge of mapping and survey. For our country, this department does the mapping work, making the maps for us to understand, to know about our country and many more things. Components of a map. Number 1, direction. Most maps show an arrow marked with the letter N at the top. It means north. When you know the north, you can find other directions, east, west and south. East, west and south. There are 4 cardinal directions and 4 intermediate directions on the compass. They help us to locate the exact position of the places. North, south, east, west. Cardinal directions: northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest. Intermediate directions. Number 2, scale. The actual distance on the ground is shown on a reduced scale. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. For example, the distance between Delhi and Agra is 200 kilometers. On a map, 100 kilometers may be shown as 1 centimeter. Thus, 2 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometers of actual distance. On a map, 100 kilometers may be shown as 1 centimeter. Thus, 2 centimeters equal to 200 kilometers of actual distance. You can see some more scale over here. All such type of scales are on different maps you will find. Number 3, symbols. It is not possible to show the actual size of buildings or roads on a map. So they are indicated by some common symbols, picture, lines, etc. You can easily read a map with the help of these symbols. So these are the symbols. If you know these symbols, you are able to see these symbols. When you are seeing these symbols, you will understand what they are indicating, what these symbols are for in the map. Do you know most symbols are common all over the world? To make it easy to understand, they are known as conventional symbols. Once you understand which symbol is for what, you will be able to read the map wherever you go. When you see such symbols in the map, in any country, in any part of the world, you will be able to understand the map and read it. So, colors. Number 4. Specific colors are used to show different features of the earth. For example, blue color is used for water bodies. Green color represents plains and lowlands. Brown color is used for showing hills, and snow-capped peaks are shown by white color. It makes the reading of maps very easy if you know the colors of each place, what they are for. Colors in the map, you see in this map also you are seeing the different colors. You have to understand which color is for what. Even if it is not given which color is for what, you should be able to understand if you learn up all these. Map tools, you will see I have already shown you earlier also. This is the title, this is the compass rose, north, south, east, west. This part is known as map legend, and these are the symbols. These ones are symbols. And this is the scale. Parts of a map, you will find in every map such parts are given: title, compass rose, labels, legend key, scale, symbols, colors. These are the very important parts of a map. You have to know, you must know all these. Then only you will be perfect in understanding the map. So this is the end of the lesson, children. I hope you have understood well and you will do well. Send me all the lessons, whatever you have done, all the exercises on time. Be sincere in your work, and then only you will be able to study well. Stay home, stay safe, save lives. Thank you for listening and understanding and doing your work sincerely. Always be good and cheerful. So, bye for now till I meet you in the next lesson.